This video demonstrates the proper procedure for flushing shock treatment solution from dental unit water lines, which must be done before beginning patient treatment. Recently, shock lines have an orange or blue shock in progress tag. Part 1. Ensure the dental unit is off. Detach the water bottle and empty the shocked water, which may appear orange or gray in color. Refill the bottle with clean tap water from the sink, reattach it to the unit, and turn the unit back on. Part 2. Taking one line at a time for more thorough cleaning and better water pressure, no more than 2 lines at once. Begin flushing the lines using the switch located at the back of the unit on the doctor's side. Hold the switch down to flush your handpieces and scalers. Flush with a full bottle of water to ensure all shock solution and any residual dead bacteria are fully removed. Dead bacteria left in the lines can promote new bacterial growth, so complete flushing is essential. Make sure to flush both air-water syringes by pressing down the water button. After flushing all the lines, turn off the dental unit, detach the water bottle, refill with clean tap water, and reattach it to the unit. Remove the shock in progress tag. The dental unit is now safe and ready for patient care.